Hi, good evening. Welcome to WealthMills Securities weekly market wrap. We are having a rally after rally in stock markets. Currently, Sensex is trading above 40,000 levels. For the week ending 1st November 2019, you would have witnessed Sensex closed above 40,000 points and Nifty closed around 11,890 points. But uh, there is a divergence in the market. Okay, but the stocks that rallied in the market, uh, what led the market to rise, the Sensex to rise above 40,000 levels? There are very few stocks led this rally, made the Sensex to hit the level of 40,000 points. HDFC, Reliance, and some support from a bit support rather from L&T and Kotak Mahindra Bank and Bajaj Twins. These are the few large cap stocks that are help the stocks to help the Sensex to rise and Nifty to go up. But you might be most of the investors might be wondering what's happening in the market. Every day the Sensex is going up and and there is people one hand talking about there is a slowdown in the economy and job loss. We have been discussing last 45 days back. The news around the corner was complete negative news. What changed the market? Okay, why the Sensex is markets are running? What the evidence? One thing what we need to observe in stock market, the market dynamics. That's what I want to share it with you all today. The dynamics of stock markets always one step ahead. Market always trades at a forward earnings of the market. Probably we might be looking at today, the numbers have came down and the data what we are getting on daily basis. For example, yesterday we got a data that is IIP numbers. This data represents the core activity of different sectors in the economy. For the month of September, IIP data was 8 years low, and in some sectors the data was 14 years low. Whereas the market is going up. Probably most investors would have thought today market will come down because of IIP numbers came down. But what prompted the markets to go up? The main reason is market always thinks about the forward earnings of the companies. There is immense activity that's going on. I can say proactivity that's going on from government in terms of measures and incentives that they want to give towards the economy as well as the market. Few months back, the government was little bit slow in terms of announcing the incentives, announcing some sort of measures, policy measures towards the market. Right now, what we have been witnessing past 1 month time is government is very proactive. Government and it will be proactive in the days to come. Last week, as per the index of World Bank ease of doing business index is concerned, Indian economy was at uh, at Indian economy was came up by 69 steps in terms of ease of doing business is concerned. Currently, we are at 69. We the index we have grown from 144 to 69, and by 25 2000 2025, government want to make India to keep India on top 25 in terms of ease of doing business index is concerned. This is the vision the current government is carrying on. in terms of ease of doing business index is concerned. But if I ask most of the entrepreneurs and investors, okay, they don't find any evidence what is ease of doing business. But as we move ahead, okay, they're going to feel comfortable in terms of starting up the businesses, in terms of investing in Indian markets is concerned. It will help both in terms of FDI as well as FII investment into Indian markets is concerned. So yesterday the data for IIP was negative and investors were expecting markets will be negative. But today there is no such sign of negativity in the market. The mood, the sentiment of the market is very positive. So the main reason for this is market perceives that the worst is over in the economy. If you see, few months back, or I can say few weeks back, one of the worry for investors is auto sales came down and some dealers were shutting their businesses few months back. Right now, the sales graph reached a point and there is an uptrend from past 15 days in the auto sales numbers are concerned with a less credit of with the less credit in the economy is concerned. The numbers should not be that much exuberant, but in terms of auto sales numbers, month on month the numbers went up by, auto sales figures went up by 25%, which gives a positive indication in the economy. So the market perceive that with the measures that government is going to take, there will be sufficient ammunition to the economy to boost in the days to come. That's what market is running. And as we are entering into November, market will be started discounting about the forward earnings of 2021. So we might be in November 2019, but market will be discounting the earnings of the companies of the first quarter of 2020 and 21 financial year is concerned. So always have a forward-looking view in terms of the market earnings are concerned, and also market. You might be observing everything is good, so market might be good in the days to come. But market always try to discount the forward earnings, and if the forward earnings are not good, you might be looking here and there and everything might be fine and you might be thinking why the market is coming down. But in the days to come, anticipating the future earnings of the companies are concerned, the markets will come down in anticipation the future projections of the companies are concerned. So always understand this dynamism in the market. This is very important for investors, even in terms of the company earnings also are concerned. This is what I have for all our investors. And finally, I just want to conclude with this message to all our investors. Bifurcate your portfolio, a bit amount towards the large cap and allocate more towards the mid and small cap. We believe the pain in mid and small cap is over, because as Sensex goes to 40,000 levels, the money is expected to flow towards high quality mid and small cap stocks. It may happen tomorrow or some point of time. Whatever be the performance a large cap does in a year's time, mid cap does in a single day. That is the beauty in investing in mid and small cap stock. But where there is a pain, there is a gain. I wish you all the best. Thank you.